there, beloved. I was just in the grocery store, and the precious girl that was, checking out in the checkout lane that I went into, she just started revealing to me how she was feeling so stressed and so worried. And this is like every single person can go into that space right now, because there's so many things happening in the world that we can, fall into a feeling of fear. And beloved, whenever we fall into fear, we set up a trajectory of additional fearful things to sort of coalesce in our lives. And right now is it's a wake-up call. The ways that we've been living on this planet are not going to be sustainable anymore. The things that we depend on right now for our comfort and our security and our ability to travel and even our monetary system, every single structure in our world right now is going to change. It's just going to change. And this is the most important time, beloved, for us to come together. And for everything that is going to disappear, something new and sustainable and beautiful is arising to take its place. However, if you are in fear, beloved, you will not see it. You won't be able to access it, and it will feel horrible for you. And that's why I'm sharing this video right now. We come together. This is a sacred space together. Just watching this video, I see you, beloved. I know what you're going through. And together, I know that we are here to give rise and give birth to the solutions that are sustainable for all of life and that help everyone, not just a few. Not just the people who hustle and work hard and those who think that they're on the top of their game of life in this distorted masculine world with these distorted masculine perspectives. There's a new divine masculine and there's a new divine feminine that is in harmonic dance, that is in co-creation of absolute beautiful yin-yang dance together. And that's where you and I can settle in and rise and allow these new incredible structures formed of love. They're expandable, right? They meet the needs of everybody. They take everybody into account. Nobody's left out. And the more that we can feel into the wow, what a beautiful, blissful possibility exists right here. So every single time you get triggered, every single time you feel fear, beloved, I want you to take a breath and place your hand on your heart and take another breath. And I want you to feel this sacred space that we have together that exists in love. And love is the most powerful creator in all of the universe. Love is the ultimate divine healer. Love is the miracle maker. And we meet together in this space of love. You can do this. I'm right here with you. Reach out to me if you need some support. I love you.